This video is on the topic of shapes for kids. Star. Star. Star color. Star color is green. Circle. Circle. Circle color. Circle color is brown. Cone. Cone. Cone color. Cone color is blue. Oval. Oval. Oval color. Oval color is pink. Arrow. Arrow. Arrow color. Arrow color is yellow. Cube. Cube. Cube color. Cube color is black. Crescent. Crescent. Crescent color. Crescent color is red. Heart. Heart. Heart color. Heart color is purple. Triangle. Triangle. Triangle color. Triangle color is navy blue. Square. Square. Square color. Square color is olive. Pentagon. Pentagon. Pentagon color. Pentagon color is orange.
Please subscribe, click the bell icon, and like our channel for more upcoming videos.